Well, my management said that Vin Diesel reached out and he was talking about a role that on the next Fast and Furious will become a bigger role. And I'm like, why not? I was a little over doing short appearances in films, but I'm like, it's freaking Fast and Furious. So I was like, get me there, put me on a plane. I was really nervous. You know what I'm saying? I was really nervous. Vin Diesel, he always played like this very serious guy in films. So it's just like, oh, I'm scared. But he's just so nice, so dope. He makes you feel so comfortable. And that's pretty cool. I like that. I think she's conceited and she's very confident. There's a difference between conceited and confident, but I think she's really both. And I guess she's very competitive and she's just that bitch. That's what I could say about her. She's really that bitch. Lisa's really that bitch. It does feel great because I remember when I saw Ludacris and Fast and Furious, I was so happy and excited because I grew up listening to Ludacris. And then I remember when the whole reggaeton movement started when I was like 10 years old. I was practically like 10 years old. And when I saw Tego Calderon in the movie and the music, I was just like, oh my God, I know him, I know him, I love him. And then to see Don Omar, it was just like a I don't know, like it just was like a hype in the Latin community. Everybody was pretty happy and felt like a hopesome. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't know how to describe it because reggaeton is not is a big genre, but it's almost like kind of shunned because it's you know how it is. It's gangsta, it's slutty. So when you see those artists from that genre in these big movies, it's just like it makes the hood have hope.